The way the ice meets the water. Goodness gracious. It's like that sometimes in my life. I'm like ice and water at the same time, or two different forms in the same body as far as emotions I'm feeling. Isn't that something? Nature can reflect what we deal with in our physical body. Blah, 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 blah. It's beautiful. You can kind of see the bed of the river there. I'm just focusing in this one spot. But I had to stop when I was like, wow, that's sometimes what I'm dealing with. I can't describe it, but I'll be two emotions at the same time pulling me in two different directions, or innumerable directions, uncountable directions. Well, the sweet taste of life. Peace out.